All right. So they said that this little hour meter is about right here. So they told me most of them in these Raptors, the hour meters in that spot. Someone's jamming over here, so let's cut. Well, trying to gash it up. A little piece out. That little piece out. If you sat to work with a razor blade all day, and I'm gonna end up cutting myself on this mower. Then I picked the rustiest blade as well. Should be good like that. All right. This is the little meter that I purchased from Amazon. So let us see if she fits. Bam. Now I think, let's see, I think it's a 7/16 socket for this little bad boy right here. Oh, let me take my luck. I'm bad for losing screws. Let's see. So, looks like it just goes up and out. That's not too bad. Looks like they got a orange and black. I think the black one goes on this little ta-ta right there. It's nice that this is already set up for this deal. And hopefully, by the grace of the Lord, I did this bad boy right, and I don't burn up my house, or blow up my house, I should say. My wife would be pissed. So, slide the bad boy back in. Try her out. Alright. So, let's check it out. Get you off of this tripod stand. Sorry about the... So, well, focus, baby, focus. So that's what she looks like. Obviously, I'm going to be sitting down, so it's upside down. But it doesn't look too bad. That's how we poor folks do it. Try to save some money. But looks like it came out pretty good.